Proton Authenticator New Phone Transfer. To transfer Proton Authenticator to a new phone, the easiest way is to simply log into your Proton account on both of these devices and making sure you have turned on sync between devices as well, so it will sync the codes manually to the other device. Or on your newer device, you can tap on import codes, select Proton Authenticator, and it will import the code from your previous authenticator, but first you must export it from your current phone or the old phone. So on your current or old phone, once you have some codes, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side and you'll find the export option. In my case, you're not seeing export because I have not added any codes, but once you've exported the codes on a newer phone, you can simply choose to import that code from your local storage as well if you want to. So you can also use your Proton account in order to be able to import it. You can tap on import and select that JSON file that you backed up and you'll be able to import it. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.